Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me the 2018 new cars for July. So first up we have the Mitsubishi Fuso Super Great. Really nice Tomica logo on the back container right there. And then we have the dual colors of the Suzuki Swift Sport. So for this one, the yellow is the normal color, number 109, Suzuki Swift Sport. And the red is the limited color. I think the only difference for these cars is the color and yeah, nothing else like some of the other limited colors. So let's get this, well, Fuso Super Great truck open right now. And afterwards we will get the Swifts open for a quick review. Because you know, it's always nice to review the brand new cars. So also just take note that the plastic wrap on the July cars are not so good. A bunch of defects on them, yes. Seems to be on all of the cars, so I tried to choose a different one, but I mean, they all were wrapped pretty weirdly, so I'm getting the plastic off here, just, you know, so I can see it's an unboxing video. I'm just unboxing this on camera right there, so that's the plastic wrap gone. Should get the Swifts out of the way, and we use our trusty screwdriver to open up the box. So anyway, it says here 2018 and F18. So yes, it was made this year. Kind of cool. And yay! This one comes with the Tomica catalog. So this shows what is new for the month, being the Super Great and the Suzuki Swift Sport. 450 yen for the normal cars and 900 yen for the long Tomica. What else do we have? We have a little playset right here. I think this is the Highway Patrol with the Mazda CX-5 Highway Patrol car. So this right here, yep, is the extension, and here is the car which comes with the set. Pretty cool. I mean, it's Mazda CX-5 with the L Grand livery. Not really livery, I mean the details. Well, anyway, on the other side, we just have some police details and other kinds of special Tomica force. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get into the actual truck. So this one, we have a really nice color right here. Silver with blue front light temples. That's pretty weird. I don't know if that's supposed to be there. And oh, I guess that was meant to be the plasticky looking front lights. No idea, but who knows? Oh, sorry, I just got something on the paper back here. Don't know what that is. Anyway, so yeah, pretty cool. I mean, we have a little step right here. And this container can be removed as one piece. It's like the older version. This can be removed and flipped around. Yep. Although this has no backdoor detail, so you can flip it around as many times as you want. So we have 5-studded chrome wheels here with no suspension. And right here, Tomica on the top. This side, we also have the Tomica logos on the side of the cargo. And the same details as the other side. Do not let this right here is plastic, while the rest of the cab and this part right here is die-cast. Unfortunately, the cargo and the flatbed part is plastic too. For the base, also plastic. We can see Mitsubishi Fuso Super Great and 2017. So sadly, not another 2018 base, but oh look, 4 rivets. Kind of neat, I guess, because one for, I mean, why so many rivets? I mean, I really don't get why they need 4 rivets. I mean, that's not really a rivet, that's just a connector pin, but why would they need 3 rivets then? No idea, I guess you can discuss that in the comments, but anyway, let's get on to the Suzuki Swifts. Let's drag that thing out of the way, pretty neat. And first up, we'll have the yellow Suzuki Swift. I can really tell that this wrapping right here is different from the previous things because this just like unfolds like that. Never really seen that before in Tomica. So maybe a new wrapper supplier or something like that. Let's get this one open right here. About to the box. Anyway, another 2018 F18. So let's get into the car. No catalog for this one. Oh, there is a catalog. It's exactly the same as the other one. Let's take a look at the car. So this yellow Swift was, I guess, an improvement from the previous one back in the day, from Blue Tommy era, or you know, the starting of Takara Tommy. So anyway, another 5-studded wheel with nice suspension. For the front, we have really nice clear plastic front lights. For our front grille, it's just black. Nice detail, looks like a Mitsubishi RVR from the front. We have some fog lights down there, and yeah, our windscreen, all detailed right there. We have a little black stripe, sorry, right there. I think it's on the real car, it's supposed to say Swift, but you know, this is a mini version, so I don't think they could have fit Swift in there. Your petrol cap and door handle. Well, anyway, for the back, I think that may be the door handle right up there, so don't want to say that there's no handle for that door. The back, we have Swift Sport right there, Sport in red, and rear light tampos, and the Suzuki logo. The boot opens, really neat. And the rest of the car is just plain yellow. Really love how smooth the yellow is without that many details. So for the base, 2018 right there, number 109 Suzuki Swift Sport. So this car right here replaced the Volkswagen Polo, while this replaced the FJ Cruiser. So yeah, be sure to get the FJ Cruiser and the Polo because they are now out of production, while I quickly open up the red version. So let's just get that one unwrapped quickly. This one right here is a Hong Kong stock, because you know we have our Money Limited right there below the box. So let's get this one open, and nope, this one does not have a catalog. And this red looks like the Swift from 2009. I think that's the year at least. So exactly the same details, except that it's red. Same nice suspension, and the boot, yes, still opens. But unfortunately, we can't really see the Sport, because for the yellow car, it's quite good contrast, but for the red, it's pretty much the same color. Same for the rear light tampos, you can't really be seen. So the yellow one looks a lot nicer to me than this red version. Same base, 2018 Suzuki Swift Sport. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's haul of the new cars for July. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Whee! Yeah, whee!